Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to make birthday photo frame in MS Word. So first you need to click on the design tab on the top ribbon and click on the page borders. And under the border and shading you need to select the page border, click on the box. And in the art drop down menu you need to scroll down and select the balloons border. And here you can increase or decrease the width like this one. Click OK to proceed. And now go back to the insert tab and click on the shapes and pick the rectangular shapes. And now click and drag your mouse across the page to draw a large rectangular that covers most of your canvas. This will act as the outer border of your frame. Now right click and click on the format shape. Click on the fill and select the no fill, and now click the picture or texture, and now click on the insert and select the picture from your computer device. For example, I'll be selecting this one, and here you can see that you can resize the picture like this one and adjust the frame as per requirement. Moreover, go to the insert and click on the icons. Make sure your computer must be connected with the internet, and now in the search box you need to type birthday. Hit enter. Here is the candle with cake. Click on insert. You can click on layout option and select the square, and now you can move this candle to anywhere. You can move this icon to anywhere on the picture. Now go to the graphic format, click the graphic fill and click the more fill colors and select the pink color to match it like this one.